how to fix Disney app won't let me log in 2025. Now we do have a few options here to potentially help you fix this problem. Starting with the first easy option over here, which is just checking your internet connection, because unstable connection is the most common cause. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test it. Restart your router if it's necessary. So try loading another app to pretty much check if your internet is working. The next thing you can go ahead and try to do is verify your login credentials. So you can use the correct email and password, which is case sensitive, and try logging in to the actual website to confirm your credentials. The next option you can do is to update the app. So go to your app store, Google Play, Apple App Store. Pretty much depends on what you're using, of course. And if an update is available, install it and try again. You can also clear app cache and data. It's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is go to the settings, apps, Disney Plus, storage, and then clear cache. Then you can go ahead and try clear data, but you're going to log in again, of course, but that's for Android. If you're using iPhone, you can delete the app and reinstall it. That way pretty much it resets the cache. You can disable any VPNs if you do have any on, and finally you have the last option, which is to reset your password. So tap the forgot password option on the login screen and follow the reset steps, and you can use a new password and try logging in again, because maybe you have your credentials wrong. So if none of this works, you can always go ahead and try contacting customer support. But anyways, hopefully it does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.